Hey, it's Trey Cross, founder of Cross 3 Network. So this is a question that a lot of people have asked me over the years, a lot of parents. What's a good age for my child to learn how to play piano? This is just based off pure experience, right? So look, me personally, I started learning at 13. I started learning at 13. One of my brothers started learning at 9. I got a homeboy, he started learning at 5. Another homeboy, he started learning at, I think we were like 7 years old, he started learning. Then I got another homeboy, he started learning at 15. At the end of the day, really, it's all about when the child is ready. That's the right age, whenever they're ready. If your child has a passion and they want to learn, let them learn. Like, encourage them to learn. Now, you can do this one or two ways. You can go old school, you can go new school, however you want to do it. The first thing you can do is, old school is, you know your child has the interest and maybe some days they want to do it, some days they don't. You can hold them accountable and you can push them and you can say, hey, you're going to do this and I want to hold you accountable every day for your practicing, yada, yada, yada. Or new school, you can wait till they're ready, and when they're ready and you get tired of them bugging you about it, you can go ahead and sign them up and let them go ahead and start learning on their own. I don't know. Old school worked better for me and my brothers, and so that's just kind of what it is. But the real answer is whenever they're ready. There's no real age. It's whenever they're ready. Now, you're talking about a 4-year-old learning or a 5-year-old learning how to play about 20 years ago. So imagine a 4-year-old in 2020. So whenever they're ready is the real answer. If you'd like to sign your child up to learn how to play piano by ear, I have a great resource. All you have to do is click the link in the bio or click the link above this video.